Alpine, the French automaker renowned for its high-performance vehicles, unveiled a limited edition car, the A110 S Enstone Edition, on July 5, 2023, ahead of the Formula One British Grand Prix at Silverstone. This special edition car is a tribute to Alpine's two manufacturing facilities, the Formula One factory in Enstone, UK, and the A110 production facility in Dieppe, France. The A110 S Enstone Edition combines the high-octane heritage of Alpine's Formula One pedigree with the precision engineering and design of the A110 sports car. What sets the A110 S Enstone Edition apart is its meticulously crafted interior that incorporates authentic carbon elements derived from the same Enstone workshop that manufactures Alpine's Formula One cars. These materials, including the visor, center console, and drop zone, contribute to the car's singular character. Additionally, black microfiber and gray stitching complement these carbon elements, highlighting the exceptional craftsmanship involved in its creation. Each A110 S Enstone Edition comes with a numbered plaque ranging from 1 to 300, symbolizing the exclusivity of this limited series. This is accompanied by a certificate of authenticity issued by the Enstone factory, which is signed by the BWT Alpine Formula One team. It demonstrates the prestigious pedigree of the materials used in the cockpit and emphasizes the uniqueness of each car in this limited edition series. In terms of aesthetics, the A110 S Enstone Edition sports an elegant British-themed design. The matte gunmetal bodywork is available in two shades of grey dark gris tonnerre and light argent mercure, which contrasts beautifully with a matte black roof. To further accentuate its British roots, the hood of the car features a stylish Union Jack decal, which is available in glossy or matte tones. In the UK, the Union Jack is standard, while it is optional in France and other countries. Performance-wise, the A110 S Enstone Edition is powered by a 300 brake horsepower engine that enables the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.2 seconds and achieve a top speed of 275 km per hour on track with an optional aero kit. To complement its powerful engine, the car features 18-inch matte black GT race wheels and Brembo silver calipers, which not only enhance the vehicle's appearance but also its performance. Additionally, the car comes with wraparound Sarbelt racing seats with exclusive Enstone Edition embroidery embodying the sporting heritage of the car. The A110 S Enstone Edition is priced at €85,000, including VAT, and Alpine began taking orders starting on July 6, 2023. The car is being marketed through Alpine centers in France. With only 300 units available, this limited series car is sure to be a coveted possession for automotive enthusiasts and collectors alike, combining Alpine's rich racing history with unmatched craftsmanship and performance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.